Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are starting from ayat number 11 of Surah Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يوصيكم الله في أولادكم. You, yeah, is very short. Pradama, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. You sleep. Saw this heavy, saw this P, and it will be 2 counts long. Sleep. For Kasra, give E sound. Ku for the circle lips. And Kaf is soft, light, and short. Who mul for Dhamma circular lips attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see Dhamma before it. Mul law, and by default lafz jalala is long. Law who for Dhamma circular lips. The sound is very short. Feel, give humps before kasra, and when you are giving kasra, make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Fi au hamza is very short. Prapatam, open your jaws at a taj. Wow, this is 2 counts long because this is lean. Au la 2 counts long. D for kasra, give e sound. Kum for the circle lips attach with meme. We will get sifa of the wasut. Lead for kasra, give e sound attach with dal. Lead. And when you are attaching lam with dal, here you are giving rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. The sound should flow nicely. Li, give time here. Li, and fatha is very short. The, ka is light. For fatha, open jaws. The sound is short. Ri, for kasra, give e sound. Ra is light. Whenever ra has kasra, it is light. The sound is very short. Ri, meeth, for kasra, give e sound attached with tha. Tha will get rohawa, and it is light. Myth. So give time when you are attaching meme with tha. Here you are giving time and making rokhawa. The flow of sound is here. Myth. Lu for the circle ellipse. The sound is very short. How ha has missy sound before the fatha, and as you are attaching pronouncing fatha attached with ra, and dha will get rokhawa. How, and dha will be heavy. So in rokhawa the sound is involved. So there is sound, flow of sound, not breath. So give a sound. How there is a great difference between sound and the breath. In fa there is a flow of breath, but in Allah there is flow of sound. How will for kasra, give e sound attached. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Will for the circle lips attached with yes, this is ikhfa. So you are this ikhfa is light because tha is among light letters. So you are keeping this your tongue very straight, and but you are not missing out this hamza, and hamza is very sharp for the circle lips. This part should not be ignored when you are creating ikhfa later on. So listen very nicely. Uh, uh, but as you are touching ikhfa after dhamma, on dhamma, your lips are circled. When you are touching sakun, your lips should, when you are touching the ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. That, that is short. Yain. Ya is very soft letter, and then it is 4 counts long because this is madleen. Why it is active? Because noon is getting Sakun because of the waqf. And before Sakun, you can see for this 2 counts long vowel of lean. And now it is converted into 4 because of the waqf. So this is called mad lean. حظي حظي الأنثيين and give توسط النون. ف give hums for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. In for kasra give e sound. Hamza is very short, and this ikhfa is light, and this the ikhfa with kaf is very different, and it seems like you are about to say ink. فإن فإن كن for the circle ellipse. Attach noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kun for fatha, the sound is very short. Na ni for kasra give e sound. Sa 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp, and this ikhfa is light because the fa is among light letters. Uh, uh. So when you are creating ikhfa, your hamza should not be ignored. The hamza has very sharp sound. The sound should be cut off very quickly. Uh, uh, Fa'u give hums. In fa for fatha upon jaws attached with wow, and it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Fa'u qaf. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, and attached with tha. Tha will get rahawa, and it is light. Qaf na. Nice shot. Tai for fatha upon your jaws, and make it 2 counts long because this is lean. Tai ta. Make this ta very sharp. Tiny for kasra give e sound. F give hums for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is very short with fatha. F la short. Hun for the circle ellipse attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This is akmal gunna. Hun fatha is very short. Na su for the circle ellipse. Engage the right makhraj. Lu for the circle ellipse. Ta 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Ta very sharp for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ta ro is heavy for fatha upon jaws. And then it is attached with kaf because we are giving waqf here. So because of waqf, we are giving sukoon on kaf. Tarak. So kaf will get hums. Whenever kaf is with sukoon, it will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath. Tarak. Wa for wow circular lips for fatha upon jaws. Ing. Again, this ikhfa is with kaf, so you are about to say ink, but you're not completing it, but you are creating this sound. Ing. And then ka 2 counts long. Nuts for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sif of hums. Hums is a flow of breaths. كانت و for wow circular left and make it 2 counts long. وحي for kasra give e sound. The short. Tang. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa with fa. So you are you will keep the upper 2 teeth to like near to the lower lip to create this ikhfa, because makhraj of fa is when the upper 2 teeth are touching the lower lip. Wahidatan. And you're keeping the sound in your nose. So what are the steps of ikhfa? You are not pronouncing noon with your tongue, but you are getting ready to to pronounce the upcoming letter, and here it is fa, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Ta, sa, sa. Give hums for fatha upon jaws. La short. Ha. Han, it is not any more long because it is attached with noon. Han, give gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Nis, and for kasra give e sounds. For sad give rakhawa, make it heavy. Give give safir. Nis. Now this is little tricky, but it should not be, because till here, when you are giving waqf on fa, You are not disturbing this part. You are changing only here something. But here, okay, till here. Till here. The things should be same even though you are giving waqf here. So it will be same. Nis. And here what you are doing, you are not pronouncing the ma. So you are giving sukoon and it is bringing hums. So you are bringing hums here. That's it. Nis. Nis. And giving rakawa. Rakawa and hums are working together to make this sound of fa with waqf. Well, okay, can we do till here the tilawa so you shouldn't forget all the rules? يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين فإن كن نساء فوق اثنتين فلهن ثلثا ما ترك وإن كانت واحدة فلها النصف. For wow circle, so open your jaws. Li for constructive E sound, the sound is short. A Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Ba short and sharp. Way lean, it is lean, so make it 2 counts long. Give nice fatha and attach with ya with softness. Way he for kasra give E sound. Li for kasra give E sound. Ul for the circle your lips. As you will touch lam with sukoon, you will get the tawassut and you will keep your lips straight. Ul, ul, and then give kasra li. Wa for wow circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Wa hi. For kasra give E sound. The sound is very short. Dim. Give E sound. Don't drop this E sound while you are attaching with meme. Dim. This is idgham with gunna. So you are giving very nice gunna. Dim min for kasra give E sound, give attach with noon gets sifa tawassut and ruling if idhar. Min who for the circle lips. Mas for fatha open your jaws attach with seen will get rakhawa and safid and it is light. I'm sorry, mas and then dhamma is very short. Su do da is sharp and the sound is very short. For the circle lips, do su give safir and make it very short and it is like su. Mim for kasra give e sound attached. Mim will get sifa of kunna and then it is 2 counts long. Mim ma ta very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. Ra is heavy. Ta is light. Ra is heavy. Ta ra ka ka is short. In again, the ikhfa is light, keeping your tongue straight and keeping sound in your nose. In ka 2 counts long. Na short. La short. Who circular let's make it 2 counts long. Wa for wow circular lips for fatha open jot. La short. And here you are giving qalqala on dal because we are giving temporary sukoon. If a temporary sukoon will bring qalqala. Lade. Walade. Fa. Give hams for fatha open jaws. The sound with fatha is very short, but before that there should be hums, and hums is a flow of breath. It will take time. This sound should be there before fatha. Fa. In il. This is idgham without gunna. So here you are not bringing gunna at all. So this hamza is directly attached with lam. Fa il. Il lam for fatha open jaws attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Lam. Yeah. Yeah is very soft for fatha open jaws. Kul. Idgham without gunna. So you are attaching this kaf with lam. Kul. La. Here, when you are attaching kaf with lam, here you will give tawassut kul, but fatha is short. La. Who. Two counts long and circle your lips. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha open jaws. La. Short. Dun. Idgham with gunna. Dung. Wa. Wow is short for fatha open jaws. Wa. Again, the same thing. Iri for kasra. Give e sound. The. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Who. Four counts long because this is mad munfasil ja is who. No flow of sound in hamza. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ba. Short. Wa. Two counts long for wow. Circle your lips. Who for the ma circle your lips, the sound is very short. Fa give hums and fatha is very short. Li for kasra give e sound. For the ma circle your lips attached with mean. Mean will get sifa of gunna and this is akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kasra is very short. Mi. He for kasra give e sound attached with tha. Tha will get sifa of roho. And yes. He and then dhamma for dhamma circle your lips. Thu, the sound is very short with dhamma. Lu for short and attached with tha. Luth. Tha will get rakhawa. And yes, when you are giving sukoon because of the waqf. Tu luth. Tha. Give hams for fatha on your jaws. The sound is very short. In iqfa. Ka. Two counts long. Na. Short. La. Short. Who. Four counts long. Ich, Hamza is very sharp focus give E sound attached with Kha will get sifa of Rakhawa and it is heavy. But there is no scratchy sound in Kha. Ich, wa, for wow, circle your lips for fatah open jaws. Dun. This is Ikhfa and light Ikhfa, so keep your tongue straight. But you are not ignoring to circle your lips for Dhamma. After doing this circling for dhamma, then you are going towards ikhfa and keeping your lips straight while pronouncing ikhfa. Tunsa. Give hams for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Li for kasra. Give e sound. For the hamza is very sharp for the circular lips attached with meme. We will get sifa of gunna. For kasra give e sound. The sound is very short. Mi. His for kasra give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa for khawa. And it is light. And it has safir. His. And then for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Su. Dus. For dhamma, circle your lips. That with sin. Sin will get sifa for khawa. And safir. And it is light. Dus. When you are giving sukoon. Yes, obviously. Dus. Mim for kasra give e sound. And this is iqlab. Even in the iqlab, you are creating gunna. It is not as long gunna as in idgham, but still it's not very short. So give a nice time in your nose. Mim. And then ba for fatha upon your jaws attached to the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Ba. Di for kasra give isang. Wa for circle for fatha upon your jaws. Si. The sword is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with ya. Here you are creating number, ya and waw. Whenever these are with tashdid, it gets number, and number is a jump of sound. And when you are attaching sword with ya, here you are applying number, and number is a jump of sound. Sleep, 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 and keep ya soft. And fatha, the sound will be very short. Yeah, idgham with gunna. And this is akmal gunna. T, you make it 2 counts long and circle your lip. Si, it is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Si, di, for kasra give e sound. The sound is very short. Ha, mad, munfasil, jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Biha, ow, hamza is very sharp for fatah open jaws attached with waw, and it is lean, make it 2 counts long. Ow, Dain. Lean is giving very hard time to many of the students. Why? Because we are not opening our jaws with for fatha. When we are pronouncing lean, we have to give a special time on fatha. Dain, dain. And here, this is madleen. We are giving temporary sukoon, and this temporary sukoon has changed this two count long vowel into four, and that is making it madleen because this is not mad asli, but this is madleen. Um, أو 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 دين. Keep the sharpness of dal, d, and for fatha open your jaws. And then when you are attaching with ya, here you give softness and then making it four counts long and give the wasat or noon. Dain. Ah. Hamza is very sharp, make it two counts long. Ba, four counts long. This is mad muttasil wajib. Ba, for the circle ellipse. Hamza is very sharp. Kum for the circle ellipse. Attach it meme. We will get sifa. Tawassut kum. Wa for wow circle ellipse. For fatha open jaws. Ab, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws. Attach it ba. Ba will get silfa. Qalqala. Ab, na. Four counts long. For the circle ellipse. Hamza is very sharp. Kum for the circle ellipse. Attach it meme. We will get sifa of tawassut. La, two counts long. Tad, very sharp sound for fatha open your jaws. Attach it dal, dal will get sifa of qalqala. Tad, uru, two counts long, circle ellipse, make it raw heavy. Na, short. Ay, Hamza is very sharp, very sharp. It has no flow of sound, yes. For fatha open your jaws. Attach it ya, and here you are creating number. Number is a jump of sound. Ay. Ay. When you are attaching Hamza with ya, here you are applying nabar. Ay. Ay. And keeping ya soft. While keeping ya soft. There are so many things going on, and we love it. We love the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught us, and we love the way to recite this in this way. Ay. And you, for the masakul, it sounded very short. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, we will get sifa afterwards. So hum. Aqa. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will set get sifa of qalqalan. Qaf is heavy. Aqa. Ra. Ra is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is very short. Bu for the circle ellipse. The sound is very short. La short. Kum for the circle ellipse. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and give the wasut on meme. Kum. Naf for fatha open your jaws. Yes, I cannot emphasize enough to open your jaws for fatha. Naf. Give hams on fa. Mad the iwat is making it two counts long. Naf. Give hams for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short with fatha. Ri, make raw light. For kasra give e sound and make it two count long. Ri, God is heavy for fatha open your jaws. Tam, open your jaws for fatha. And this is idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tammi, for kasra give e sound. Nallah. It's very clear, and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and we will make it this two counts long vowel into four counts and give rakha on ha. Min Allah. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, give punna. In Allah. Allah. Two counts long. Ha is very sharp and short. Ha. It's not sharp at all. It is just short sound. Ha, ka is two counts long and soft. Na, short. Ain from your throat. It is not ever heavy. It is created from your throat. There is no function of tongue in ain. Ain is short and ain from your throat. Ali, two counts long. Man, The ruling is إظهار, but the صفة is توسط. من ففتح open your jaws. Key, 2 counts long. Keep, calf, light. Ma, 2 counts long. مد عوض. ولأبويه لكل واحدة منهما السدس مما ترك إن كان له ولد فإن لم يكن له ولد وورثه أبواه فلأمه الثلث فإن كان له إخوة فلأمه السدس من بعد وصية يوصي بها أو دين آباؤكم وأبناؤكم لا تدرون أيهم أقرب لكم نفعا فريضة من الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.